Woke up in the hills, sun hitting my face. Finally got the rhythm, finally found my pace. Used to be a shadow, walking 3 steps back, but I painted over gray. Now I'm dressed in black. You were like a wave, dragging in the sand. Now I'm ocean breeze, I'm the queen of the land. I check the mirror and I like what I see, the version of myself you wouldn't let me be. Yeah, the silence is loud but it's sweet to the ear. I'm toasting to the girl who finally conquered the fear. 'Cause I'm better, better, better without you. I'm shining like a diamond in the sky so blue. No more heavy lifting, no more what should I do. Everything is gold since I'm better without you. Better without you. Asking where you at, I'm in the VIP. Baby, that's a fact. The champagne is cold, but the fire's in my eyes. I traded in your drama for a world-class prize. Now I move like water, I move like grace. While you're just a memory I'm trying to erase. I don't hate you, no, that would mean I care. I'm just breathing in this brand new air. Yeah, I'm free.